both said some awful words, and I know that we both got hurt. But I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. We can't let this slip away. You know that I want you to stay, 'cause I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Don't run away, we can't let this go to waste. I don't want nobody else. Don't let this go to waste. Baby, you can stay up night. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. I just wanna let you know. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a master bedroom makeover. I recently made over my master bedroom and I thought I'd share it with you. I hope you enjoy.
Don't you wanna be with me?
This is my master bedroom. Now, I absolutely love my room, guys. I love my wallpaper feature wall, but I've always wanted to repaint the walls.
We can't let this go to waste.
We've lived in our home for just over 3 years now, and the original owners painted this a very light grey. I wanted to warm things up a bit and go for a beautiful latte colour that I have painted throughout my home. Thanks to my beautiful hubby, we picked out the colour Puppy by Dulux. Now, you may recognise this colour as we have transformed most of the house in this colour as well. We gave the entire room 2 coats, and guys, I'm so pleased with how it came. While it was drying, I then went in with my invisible glass cleaner and cleaned all my mirrored furniture.
Feels like we're fading out. I'm losing you. Can't we try again? Don't let this go to waste. Feels like we're fading
I picked up these stunning candle holders from TK Maxx last week, and I knew they'd go perfect on my nightstand. They remind me so much of something that is sold in Z Gallery, which we don't have here in Australia. I also added my DIY bling ring to the top of a TK Maxx white box. Once the paint was dry, I then added my Hollywood mirror back in place, along with these beautiful perfume bottles and wall art, all from TK Maxx.
Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me. I hope that we can work it out. Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me.
It then came to my absolute fun part, styling my bed. Now, what I like to do is take my duvet cover and overlap it at the front. This beautiful duvet cover, I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but it's actually fake fur, guys. And as it's at the end of autumn here in Australia, it has really got cold. So I love the coziness of this beautiful duvet. Now, my pin tuck coverlet set is from the store My House here in Australia. I then added a pom-pom cushion, which is from TK Maxx, and a gold cushion, which is from Pillow Talk. I also added this beautiful stunning throw that's also from TK Maxx. It's by Nicole Miller, and guys, it is so soft and stunning. To the front of my pillows, I added this fluffy breakfast cushion, and I then added this beautiful silver round tray with some fake white flowers and candle holders. To my windows, I added these silvery blue curtains that are also from TK Maxx, and I added an inexpensive sheer to the centre, and I love how these curtains go so well with my mirrored furniture. I also love to go in with this Febreze fabric spray and spray over my bed. It has the most beautiful scent. Now guys, we're going into winter here in Australia, and I recently picked up this beautiful little lantern. Now guys, it's actually a mini fireplace.
Golden, gold. We don't wanna be hiding. We don't wanna be fighting.
On my other nightstand, I added these beautiful glam pieces, also from TK Maxx.
We don't wanna keep trying. We can stand the denying. We don't wanna be running from the sun. 'Cause we would die to have a place like home. Yes, we would die to have a place like home. Stranger says we don't want our armors, but they don't get. We can choose.
Now guys, I'm going to show you two options here, all by just adding a different cushion. Now you'll see here that I have the gold cushion in this clip, but I actually went in and added two pom-pom cushions instead, because I couldn't make up my mind which style I liked. And I'd love for you to leave a comment down below which one you preferred.
Running from the sun. 'Cause we would die to have a place like home. And we just wanna be, and we just
Do you have a vision for your master bedroom? I know I certainly have. Since living in this home for just over 3 years, I always envisioned this to be a very glam but elegant room. I've made over this room quite a few times, which you will see on many a video, but I'm truly happy with this end result.
die to have a place like home. Do what you do. You know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say. I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me.
It certainly has got colder this past week here in Australia, and I absolutely love coming into this room where it's such a warm and cozy space.
I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need.
So here is that second option, guys. I took away that gold cushion and I added the matching pom-pom cushion.
I try to stay calm, but it feels like I'm a ticking bomb. 'Cause I'm crazy for you. You know it's what you say and what you do. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay.
A big shout out has to go to my beautiful hubby, who gave up his weekend to transform our glam master bedroom.
I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever
thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed my master bedroom makeover. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'd truly love for you to join the family here at Chelles Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.